For ingredients, you will need 1 kg milk, 4 tablespoon rice powder, 10 to 12 green cardamoms, 3 tablespoon sugar, dry fruits of your choice, half cup grated coconut, 1 tin of condensed milk and few drops of kevra essence. Add green cardamom to the milk and bring it to boil. Add rice powder and stir it continuously. Add condensed milk and keep stirring. Add sugar and mix it well. Add dry fruits and grated coconut and mix it well. Lastly, add few drops of kevra essence and mix it well. Your delicious kheer is ready.